Hey, what up? What up? What up, Z? What up? Let's keep it going. So when you learn how to drive, your life is going to change. You're going to be able to help your family. You're going to be able to get a job. Okay, there used to be a while that I had to walk about a half mile, but I didn't have a car. Now I got a car. Now I got my license. I can drive to downtown. I can drive out to the suburbs. I can go work, feel good about myself. Self-esteem is like glowing. I feel so good about myself. You feel me? And when you work and when you drive, you feel independent. Driving does not make you an adult. I'm gonna say it again, fam. Driving does not make you an adult. How you treat people in their community, what you do on social media. This platform is wonderful. They really invest time in content creators. If you're making good content, they will see it and they will help you get better. I always wanted to get better. My daughter said, Dad, you need to work on your content. You need to make it better. I listened to her. And then this platform saw and said, hey, there's an opportunity. So if you are on the platform long enough and you really get passionate, I'm passionate about driver's education. You see, bruh, where the dog at? You gotta be passionate about what you do. And if you're passionate about what you do, it's not really work, right? Let's keep going. You gotta establish reference points to the center of the lane, to the left side of the lane, to the right of the lane. Hey, what up? How you doing? What's up? What's up? What's up? How you doing, eh? Hey, yes, how are you? Are you clicking that heart? Are you clicking that like? Are you clicking this diamond? I'm here putting in work for you. I need 2 more. What up, right? Thank you. She ready? She ready? I listen to you too. I see your post. I see what you like. So the way the algorithm sets up, it matches like people. If you like dogs, I like dogs. If you like cars, I like cars. If you like basketballs, I like basketballs, right? We are here growing and we are here elevating. And I firmly believe and love the community. You see? Let's keep this thing going. Press that like, press that heart. What's up, Samantha? How you doing? Boop, 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 boop. Let's keep it going. Next, entering the roadway. You gotta look left, you gotta look right. Don't pull out, hey, how are you? What's up, Em? What's going on? You doing good? Thank you for the hearts, thank you for the likes, thank you for being all those wonderful things. Drop a heart, drop a like, drop a comment, answer a question. I'm very social. I love the platform. This has made me a better content creator, a better social media person, a better driving teacher, because I have questions. You guys put questions out, and I try to answer them. Come on, put your question in. How do you apply the brakes and stop? You want to squeeze with the ball of your foot. Don't hit it real hard, because if you hit it real hard, upset the balance of the car. Slow down very gradually. Take your time. Your instructor wants you to be safe. You've got to listen to your instructor. When you first start in class, sit up front. Come early. Ask questions. I love questions from my students. I love your questions. Let's keep this live going. We're at 3K. Let's get it hyped. Let's show the algorithm, wow, this content creator is serious. He's hyped. I enjoy him. Let's keep it going. Next, how do you back up? You put it in reverse. I have my driver test next week. Watch my videos. You should already be following me, Z, because I'm gonna go through road test prep. How do you parallel park? How do you make the perfect left turn? How do you go through a roundabout, okay? How do you go through and merge on the expressway? I go through those things. It is easy for some people, but it's hard for others. So I want you all to know this. Some people have very difficult anxiety. They've been through trauma. They need special coaching, special teaching. I have that certification. And you've seen me help people along the way. You see me from the beginning of my journey up to now. You see me taking time when I go live. I make sure my camera's good. I'm making sure I'm looking crispy. Got the crispy red button down on. Right, got the nice Ray-Bans on. Got the hair looking good. I know you see them waves coming in, baby. I know you see them waves coming in, right? Yes, but I want you all to know that I care, that I want you to grow. And if you follow my tutorials, I explain everything. Every content creator is different. I'm different, right? So start out slow, practice your maneuverability. You should be able to pull in your driveway, back out. You should be able to make 5 right turns, 5 left turns in your neighborhood. You should be able to make a left turn on the main thoroughfare. Thank you for the glitter. Let's step up the glitter. I need 8 more little smiley faces, right? Help me finish the goal. I'm here early to represent the community. And I'm not worried about how many likes. I'm not worried about this. If you see value, right, send those gifts. That's right, she ready? She ready? If I can send you a reverse gift, boop, 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 boop. She ready? I would send you a reverse gift too, because I can tell you care. And a lot of you are on here, you say you care, you say you like this, but she ready, I follow her back. And I look at her post. I look at her comments. And I know it's of value, because sometimes on social media, we go on just to laugh. We go on to learn, right? I go on this platform to